In this video, I will show you exactly step by step how to find your IBAN on Revolut. To do this, simply go and open up the Revolut app and first select the currency that you want to find your IBAN for. Now usually it will be the same. Now first just gonna select the primary currency that you use for your account, which for me is Euro. And from there, what you can then do is go and click on details. So it's right here in the home screen. And then from here, you will find your name, and right under that, you have your IBAN. Now, if you're from the UK, for example, and you want to find your IBAN, then what you'll need to do is click on international, and then you will also be able to find your IBAN. Now from there, you can just go and copy it, and then you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. So that's how to find your IBAN on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.